Hey guys, it's Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we're just looking to purchase in Treme. So it's definitely one of those as-is condition properties, so it needs a fair bit of work. But it's in Treme, so obviously the dirt here is worth a lot of money, you know, so it's a good area. So definitely even a house that's in bad condition is still worth a decent amount of money. So look, we were able to pay the seller what they were after, so we've contracted the property now, and we're just clearing title and getting ready to close on it. So it's going to need a fairly decent renovation. The owner had a tenant in here. They've been here for like 10 years or so, they said. So a long-term tenant, which is good, but not necessarily a tenant that's looked after the property. You know, you'll see that's really starts getting cracked right through. There's probably some termite damage in there. You know, so you see the windowsills hanging off. So yeah, this is gonna need a lot of work. You know, holes in the wall. But you know, the seller just didn't want to fix it up. I mean, obviously, yes, this is Treme. It's a good area. This will be a valuable property once we fix it up. You know, and the seller could have fixed it up and got all that value for themselves. But it just, for them, it wasn't worth the hassle, time, money, stress. You know, they could still get good money to sell in as-is condition, and then we'll come in and, you know, add our value and create some value for ourselves as well. So, you know, everyone wins, and then, you know, a homeowner's going to have a great property to move into, and they're going to be a winner too. So, yeah, guys, if you have a house you want to sell, you know, maybe something like this where you just, you know, don't want to put the work into it, you just prefer to sell it as is, leave the stuff behind and let us deal with it, then we could be a really good buyer for you. We buy all over Louisiana. We have a greater emphasis on greater New Orleans is really our backyard. So look, if you have a property you're looking to sell, reach out to us. You can give us a call. Also visit our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. We have a lot of information there about selling your house, about how selling it as is can work. You'll see testimonials, case studies of properties we bought. So guys, yeah, look, reach out to us. If you're looking to sell, have a great day. Thank you so much.